What is the deal, everybody? This is Simon Khalil. Thank you for joining me once again. Today, sad day. I'm going to be putting up my A7 III for sale. Why? We'll just have to wait and find out. Let's go. Yo, but for real, before we get into this video, check out the new merch from my boy Will Cologne. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look how luxurious this hat is. Dad hats galore. No bad energy in here. Hell yes. Check the link below. I will drop the link down low on where you can pick up this merch. Good looking out, Will Cologne. I appreciate you very much. Over the last 5 months, I've been using this bad boy. This is the A7 IV, Mr. Flippy screen over here. So, why am I gonna be getting rid of the A7 III? Now, this camera was a hell of a beast. It's gotten me through a lot of weddings. It's gotten me through a lot of portraits. It got me through a ton of shoots. Probably one of the most reliable cameras I've ever used, especially when it comes to overall usability across the board. But don't get discouraged, guys. I'm gonna leave a link up here below on one of my previous videos why this camera is still worth buying in 2022 and the benefits of having it. But for me, when the A7 IV came out, I winded up picking up 2 of them. Simply because I like being coordinated when it comes to having similar files, especially on wedding days, on big shoots where there's multiple files. But I have to tell you guys the biggest reason. The biggest reason I'm getting rid of the A7 III and sticking with the A7 IV is all the upgrades. It is not worth it to me to be holding on to something that has been honestly collecting dust over the last 4 months, 5 months. This camera has benefited me over the last 4 or 5 months and has been one of the most reliable cameras I've used. Do cameras have its quirks? Hell yes. Did the A7 III have its quirks? Hell yes. But with the upgrades that the A7 IV came out with, there's no reason for me to have this anymore. So, A7 III, sorry, I'm gonna have to retire you. And, A7 IV, let's rock and roll. This has been a monster, a beast, especially with the recent updates. The Wi-Fi on it is crazy good. The IAF is crazy good, crazy fast. A lot of the upgrades that I saw, because I use a lot of Sigma glass, nails it right on the spot. Plus, if you look at other cameras made from Sony, especially like the A1, this A7R4, these cameras that are a lot more money, this is a mixed bag. This has all its best pieces and some. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I drop a banger video. Once again, this is Simon Khalil. Say bye-bye to the A7 III. Deuces!